Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will deploy the Office add-in to your M365 tenant. So here, my friends, I showed you how you can manually deploy it and use it, but this might not be the way that you want to deploy the add-in. What we did was we went into add-ins, we went into advanced, and we uploaded the add-in manually by giving it the manifest file. But if you want to deploy to your entire organization, the best way to do it would be to go to the admin center. So go to admin.microsoft.com, hit enter. When you get into the admin portal, you can actually go into resource. You need to go into not resources, not billing. Need to click on show all. Need to go to settings and you need to click on integrated apps. So here you can upload a custom app. This is an Office add-in, so you need to upload the Office add-in. You can choose a file from your device and upload it. So I'll go into demo add-in, dist, and this was my manifest. So I can upload my manifest.xml, but if you have hosted it somewhere, you can do that as well. You can click next and you can deploy it either to yourself or the entire organization or the specific group of people. I'll just say the entire organization. It will prompt you to get permissions. If you remember, we were just reading the user profile. So that's good. And then I can click on next and then I can click on finish. At this point, the Office add-in will be deployed to your entire organization. And once it's deployed, you can use it in both your client and your web app, your Office web app or your client Office applications. I hope that this quick tutorial was informative. I would like to thank our sponsors Nutrient for helping us build the Power Platform user group or ppug.org community. Thank you, have a great day, and bye-bye.